In this video guide you're going to learn how to access online tutorial link in Tutor contact. Log in FlexLearn using your full WOU email address and password in the corresponding field. On your FlexLearn homepage, select a course. Under Content Navigator, click on Online Class Link. Click on Link for Tutorial Class. At the preview area, click on Go to Discussion button. On the tutorial forum, click on the link for tutorial class. You shall choose and enter the tutorial class that you want to join. To find the tutor contact details, return to the course homepage. Under the Content Navigator, select Tutor's Contact. From the folder, select Tutor's Contact. At the preview area, click on Go to Discussion button. All the content related to your tutor's contact will be placed in the discussion. Thank you for watching.